Come and join us today at Disney Springs so we can make some custom Lego minifigures. We're going to show you some of the new Encanto merch and more, and we're going to try some donuts.
Okay, we're all ready today.
We're at Disney Springs.
And we came here to make our own Lego minifigures, and we're gonna try some donuts.
If you haven't been to Disney Springs for a while, it has changed so much. Some for the better, some for the worse, but I do really like some of these shops back here. They have a whole shop dedicated to Star Wars merch and one dedicated to Marvel. If you want to see a tour of any of these shops specifically, comment down below and let us know. Oh, this is the new ice cream shop. Oh, they actually have real bugs. Pumpkin, black cat licorice, and lavender, double bubble, toil and trouble. They usually have like strange concoctions. These are the classic ones. Honey lavender, strawberry honey balsamic, and black pepper.
So these are the weird exotic ones that you wouldn't think it would be an ice cream, but it is.
Yeah. We'll have to try the ice cream next time, but I have heard good things, even with the weird combos. Now, Everglazed is a newer donut place. We just haven't been. It's across from Splitsville. And the donuts are between $5 and $6 each. They even have hot breakfast sandwiches, which did look delicious, and then some different coffees. I will say it was really hard to pick a donut because they all looked so good. And I kind of wanted to compare them to Voodoo Donuts because that's the main donut place at City Walk, and this seems to be like the main donut place at Disney Springs. We did skip over those plain glazed sprinkled iced ones. Those ones you can kind of get anywhere, but I kind of wish we tried that cookies and cream. Maybe next time.
We have the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We have the Boston Nutella Cream. We have the Raspberry Beret, the Icon, and the limited edition one they have for Halloween.
They all looked so good, but we got one each and one bonus. So Vanessa picked out that sugar skull one, Jack picked the blue, I picked the raspberry, Rick picked the chocolate Nutella one, and then we kind of agreed to get that cinnamon one.
It's not stale. It's not stale tasting. It's actually crunchy.
Oh, good.
You know how sometimes you get the cereal ones?
Yeah, they're like.
These are still crunchy. That's good. You're gonna love it.
Nutella with a cream, like a Boston cream thing.
Oh my gosh, it's so wonderful.
Is it good?
It's good.
All right, Shepard, how does it compare to Voodoo's, like Boston cream?
Well, I don't want to say anything bad about Voodoo, but I really like these a lot.
Okay.
I love Voodoo too.
So maybe both of them are good?
These are both great donut places. They're huge.
Yeah,
they're definitely fresh.
Voodoo
You
is
can tell they're definitely fresh, just like Voodoo. It's almost the same kind of donut, pastry donut that they're using, same exact thing. At least Voodoo does a little bit of different things.
True.
With their dough. As of now, it looks like they're all like a series, like a glazed donuts with different toppings on it.
That makes sense. I do like this. It tastes just like the cereal on top, and it is, like Rick said, it is crunchy. I think this is my favorite, the raspberry, and then the cinnamon, and then the Nutella, and then the glazed. And that one just tastes like donut with sprinkles and icing, but it is good. And Chef Rick, which one's your favorite?
I don't know. At first it was the Boston, but after digging into more of the cinnamon one, I like that a lot more. But after that, I think that's the Boston cream one I like the most.
Miss Vanessa, which one is your favorite
I have
donut?
2.
Okay, which ones? These two?
Yes.
Okay. I'm surprised.
I have one classical one.
You like the classic ones, okay.
Oh, 1, 2.
And you like the
Buddy
cinnamon
has the
too.
classic this one.
Yeah.
And he said it has a lot of icing, so I was like, don't mind if I do.
You're silly. In passing the candy cauldron, we had to say hi to one of our Instagram friends. She is so sweet, and she was bagging up some of those awesome pumpkin apples, as it was just a couple days before Halloween. It's always nice to see someone that we know at the parks. Now, we would have bought one of those apples, but we were stuffed from those donuts, but they look so good. There's always a wait at Gideon's over here, but where is another Gideon's, Rick?
It's Orlando, $1 cheaper,
Yeah,
and they're never busy.
So go to the other one, support that venue. There's other merch and reseller. There's other shops there that you can support. All right, the moment, the truth that we are here. Let's see if they have those customization stations open. Now we saw the Atari when we came here last time, but there was know if anything exciting, anything new is in here. This stuff's pretty cool, even though this could be Christmas or Halloween. I like the bathtub. That's cool. We had this before, the little zero. The jack thing is kind of trippy on the eyes. Countdown. I love the oogie boogie hat. That Madame Leota pillow is actually super cute. We let the kids pick out one thing, but since the Nuimo accessories were buy 3 for $7 each on sale, we went ahead and let her pick out 3 of those, either outfits or accessories. But it had to be priced at $13 for that $7 sale. Some of those items can be up to $20 for a little Nuimo accessory. So just be careful because those can get pretty expensive, but they are cute and easy to get addicted to. Vanessa just got her first Nuimo not long ago. She ended up picking out a little baking set so Pluto can bake some cookies. She got these skates and another outfit. There's Maribel, the bag, Bruno. The kids love Encanto, so it was really nice to see a whole area dedicated to merch because it's been a while since we've seen anything new for it. And there's a cup here. Look, Flex Alert.
I know, I like it.
I think it's from Antonio's room. I moved mountains. I love this. 37. I love that they have more Encanto stuff.
It is cool.
I should get the bag. Look, I like the accordion too. Did they? Had a bunch of figures and toys too and dolls, but like Rick said, quite a few of at least the toys were available at Target and probably a little cheaper. Here's Mickey Mouse and Jose Funko Pops. I haven't seen that one. This one is really cool. I like how it has the tower.
That's cute.
40 Hollywood Tower Hotel and Mickey Mouse. A bunch of Coco stuff. Yeah, I like that. It looks like kitchen stuff. Dude, I don't remember seeing this. Fly high for pizza.
You know
cute.
that
I love that.
Encanto's just like Coco.
Look at how cute that is.
And the cup.
Actually,
I like these. Look, what's this Dante?
Are you kidding me?
It's cool. And a little cardigan is adorable. This jacket, look, Coco. Encanto and Coco are both great movies. This is a cute, like, button-up. El amor nunca muere. The love never dies.
Oh.
I like how it looks like a window, and then you got like a little the pocket on the inside.
Look, there's a backpack.
It's cute, I like that.
Look, it's a backpack.
If you've been following us on Instagram for a while, you know we love our costumes, and Vanessa really wanted to do this with her little May outfit, so I think that will be awesome. I even have a green plaid shirt I plan to wear to match with her, so I'm super excited, but it was nice to see so much turning red stuff. I wish they had the backpack. Mommy was looking.
I wear this right now.
That's what Hercules Lounge by. This one's Bambi and Bambi. Don't forget, in here there's a PhotoPass studio. You can get pictures with backdrops. It's really fun and included in your if you have the PhotoPass. So our 50 minutes was up. We went ahead and headed to the Lego store, and they were doing a scavenger hunt, which was pretty cool. You go around the store and look for those pictures.
Where is it? Do you see it?
Yep.
Where is it? What is that?
All right, check it off.
I'm checking it out.
We do have the Disneyland Haunted Mansion. Too bad it's not the Disney World. Come on, guys. You gotta do both. After completing the scavenger hunt, which only took a few minutes, they gave us these sticker sheets, which was pretty awesome. And then we headed back to that table to check in, and then they told us to buy these first for $12 each.
So the way to get started, you take that box, you're gonna lay it flat in front of that counter, and that's gonna activate it, okay?
Okay. And whatever name you pick will go on a little Lego brick for your Lego character.
Awesome. So you guys can start scrolling your first page. You just preset torso. It's very easy, very straightforward. Give you something to work with. Up there, you've also got drawing, stickers, and typing. So you guys can mix and match all of these. So you can pick that flannel if you want. You can put stickers on it. You can color it. You can do whatever you want. You guys can get creative. The only thing you need to keep in mind is you're going to see that little rotate button. At some point, you're going to want to hit that to flip it to work on the back of the torso as well.
Okay.
Do the front and back.
Those are stickers you can put on it. I think the kids were a bit overwhelmed at first. There is a lot to really go through. We were quite surprised, but it is a lot of fun. I'll try to show as many options as I can. So at first, Vanessa had a panda on her shirt, and then Jack had a mummy shirt with a cow on it. So they really didn't know what they wanted at first. And then we found out you can actually put as many stickers as you want, it seemed, and you can make it small or big. So then he made a cow shirt, which was really clever. But then we showed him other options just to make sure, and then he changed his mind a couple times. Oh, look, that looks like Benny. What about like a hoodie? Some of these that were on display, it looked like they actually drew like Baby Yoda, Incredibles, Mr. Toad on them. I can imagine that can take a couple hours just to draw. They did have a lot of stickers. I did wish they had more ones for like hobbies, but they had quite a bit for animals and other cute things. Jack loves his sea creatures, so it did not surprise me once he started to pick a shark, and then he started to add a bunch of fish and other things. I love his design though. Some of the other stickers had sports, gators, smiley faces, surfboards, waves, and a bunch of Lego faces. At first, Vanessa drew I love dogs, but then we ended up adding the text. And then of course you can see Jack's all the animals that he has. It is neat that you can design the front and the back. Jack even added his name very small in the back. If you love Legos, you definitely have to do this. So after you're completely done with the shirt front and back for your minifigure, the next thing you need to do is pick out 4 things. So you need to pick out either hair or hat, a face, accessories, and pants.
Honey, where are my pants?
Last one?
That looks like me. Okay.
Which accessory do you want?
I want A8.
Accessory.
Dog.
The dog, A7.
These. What about A5?
It was really tough to decide, honestly, even though there could be more accessory options, I think, and they said they were short. Some accessories were empty. The faces were really fun. Some were reversible, you can twist. Lots of different colors for the hair, and you can always switch these out too if you have any more at home. So once you wrote them down on the card, then they got it out for you, and you got your 4 pieces to put in the box. And you can even watch your minifigure be printed. So he was flipping it over to the back side of the minifigure and I guess cleaning it off. I'm actually really surprised this machine isn't at Legoland. We go there a lot and they don't have anything like this. So I hope in the future we can make one there too, and maybe even with more options, especially with the stickers. I was trying to choose one that looks like myself, something I would wear, and it was really tough. So I ended up with just a purple shirt so I can add some stickers myself. In the end, we want to make a really cool shadow box with all of us in it. I'm gonna do purple. Let's see what stickers I want.
Okay. Oh, that was new. I never seen that.
Yeah, I like that too. I kind of wish they had something for artists. I almost went with that pencil, but I was hoping for a paintbrush, but I ended up finding like a little ink pen in a pocket. Or if I had more time to think about it, maybe I could draw something really cool on it for another time.
And what's the name on yours?
The head. Take the head.
You gotta put his hat on, or his hair. There we go. Alright, so they don't have a paintbrush. I did a pen for like art, the games, because I like to play games, and I'm a Florida girl, so I had to put a gear in there. Let's see, got Rick here, lots of skulls, and then Larman. Very cool.
I like music, so I wanted the jukebox or the boombox or whatever you call them nowadays.
Yeah, I like the facial hair, it's cute.
And the closest thing I can come to hats.
Yeah, I like it.
I have other hats at home and stuff. The cool part is doing this part.
Yeah.
That's the cool part. That's the customization right there.
So we were waiting for mine to finish up, and then we lined them all up right outside the Lego store just to show our finished product. I usually wear a hat during the hot months, so that was perfect. They didn't have red hair, so I might look for that hair piece later.
Okay, I got Twinkie and me.
Okay, Daddy? And then the back, I actually have a ocean wave and it says mom, but you can't really see because of the fairy wings. My husband has his gamer tag. Jack picked out a sun with some palm trees and his name. And then Vanessa picked a little flower arrangement of Legos. For 12 bucks each, I definitely think it's worth it. It's a fun experience and something very unique that only you can create. And if they add any more customization, I would do it all over again. That was super fun. If there's anything else you'd like to see at Disney Springs, comment down below or message us on Instagram. A big thank you to Maddie and Lachey for helping support our channel on Patreon. People like you help us to keep going and doing what we love.
Stay up and subscribe for more videos. Subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe.
And since I mentioned Gideon's earlier, I'm going to put this video next for you to watch if you would like to. The Gideons at Disney Springs versus the Gideons in the Orlando location. And of course, we'll be back to do more Disney updates as well as all the other theme parks. Thank you so much for watching.